Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because I tried out Lady Gaga's Haus Laboratory makeup. So I literally just ordered some products from Haus Laboratories and I have them right here. I ordered them from Amazon and I have Amazon Prime. So with Prime, I was able to get 1 day free shipping. So I literally just ordered the products the day before yesterday and I got them in the mail last night around 7 p.m. So I did wear the products throughout the day so I can give you guys a review of what I bought. So I wanted to try out the eye armor kit, which came in this little bag right here, and I also wanted to try out the lip liner. I did order additional products back in July when they first launched all the products and they were available to order for everyone. I did purchase some of the lip products and the liquid eye shimmer or liquid shimmer powder that you can use on your eyes, lips, and like your face, but those products I have not received and I don't know why. Those I actually ordered from the actual Haus Laboratory website. So I'm not sure if with Amazon you get the products a lot faster because it's Prime. So if you're a Prime member, you could probably get the products really quickly with Amazon. But before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sylvia. Thank you so much for watching. I upload every week, Mondays and Thursdays, unless something happens, and I update you guys on Instagram. And I do cruelty-free makeup reviews here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So the Rip Lip Liner packaging looks like this. It's really nice. I like the cap that they use for their packaging. This is the swatch of the shade that I purchased in En Pointe, and it's a very nude shade. I applied it all over my lips. The lip liner is $16. It does have a very creamy formula. It was really easy to apply. It is really pigmented as well. Also, other products are vegan and they do claim to be a cruelty-free brand. It did feel really comfortable. It wasn't like drying out my lips. This is a very nude shade for me, but I feel like it would be really great on fair skin tones. It's a really nice nude shade. So the eye armor kit came in this little bag and it is $35, and it comes with stickers to create the wing liner and then the eyeliner itself. And the eyeliner packaging is really nice. Again, it's kind of like the packaging of the lip liner. The eyeliner is a felt tip and it is very black and it's supposed to be matte. In my opinion, it's not super matte, but it is matte. So I just applied it on my upper lash, but I didn't go all the way out to create the wing because that is where I'm going to apply the sticker. These are the wing tips that come with the eye armor kit, 2 different sizes, which one is shorter, the other one is longer. I first went in with the shorter ones because I was getting ready for work and I didn't want like a super dramatic wing. When I first applied the sticker, it was really easy. I just aligned it to the bottom of my lash and I just pressed it down, and it did work using tweezers, but of course you can use your fingers. I just used the tweezers and I found it to be easy, and then I just filled in the gaps with the eyeliner. Literally it just took seconds. I did have a little bit of trouble with the second sticker on the other eye. I had to remove it and then reapply it because it was a little crooked, but it's just easy to remove and then reapply. It did feel a little uncomfortable on the other eye, but I got used to it throughout the day, and then I just applied a little bit of mascara and then I was ready to go. Alright guys, so this is the finished look and it is now 8:55 a.m. so it's about to be 9 a.m. I am going to come back at the end of the day and just let you guys know my final thoughts on the new eye armor kit by Haus Laboratories and the lip liner. I'm going to try to check in throughout the day to show you guys how everything is still holding up, if the little stickers lasted throughout the day. I am going to go to work right now, so I'm really going to be able to test these out for a very long time. I'll see you guys here in a little bit and let you guys know my final thoughts. Hey guys, so it is 2:40 p.m. and I wanted to check in with you guys because I have been wearing the eyeliner and lip liner for about 5 hours now, and I just had lunch. The eyeliner still looks really good and the stickers are still on. You can't really notice that it's a sticker. It really matches the eyeliner. The lip liner, because I did eat, it did come off. You can see a little bit of it around my mouth. So yeah, this is how everything looks after 5 hours. I will check in again at the end of the day and just let you guys know my final thoughts. And Alright, y'all, so my microphone decided not to work, but it was 8:35 p.m. So I was wearing the eye armor kit for I would say almost 12 hours, and this is how everything looked when I came back at night. And I just basically showed you guys that the eyeliner stayed on and the stickers, and if I rubbed my eyes, the sticker wasn't coming off and the eyeliner, so they are pretty long wearing. So since my microphone decided to not work yesterday, I did come back the next day, which is today, to film the rest of the video and let you guys know if I recommend any of the products. I am actually wearing the eyeliner and the long stickers this time, and I felt like the second time around it was easier to apply the stickers. So I think it just, once you get used to applying the stickers, it gets easier. So I actually really like the eye armor kit and I do recommend it, especially for people who have trouble creating a wing eyeliner. I sometimes cannot create a wing liner to save my life, so I really like that they created this kit. I do wish that they did provide the stickers separately, where you can just purchase the stickers if you don't want to purchase the eyeliner. But I really do like the packaging, and when I reached over to use the eyeliner today, it was really easy for me to pick out the eyeliner because of the packaging. So definitely give it a try if you have trouble creating a wing eyeliner. As far as the lip liner, I like the lip liner. I'm actually wearing it right now and I actually like it a lot better with this combination that I'm using it with. I applied the lip liner all over my lips, and then I applied this gloss from Colourpop. It's the ultra glossy lip, the shade blowzy or blowzy. I don't know how you say it. This gloss is so freaking pretty. It reminds me a lot of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Fenty Glow. I applied it on top of the lip liner and I really like this combination. Some of my favorite lip liners are like from Kylie Cosmetics, and her lip liners are $12, so a lot more affordable. However, you do have to pay for shipping if you just purchase a lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics. So it actually comes out to pretty much the same if you buy the Lady Gaga lip liners on Prime, because with Prime you don't have to pay for shipping, so they actually come out to being like the same price. Some other lip liners that are more affordable that I actually been liking a lot are the Morphe lip liners. I recently did try out the Morphe lip liners and they're really good and they're very affordable. So if you go to a Morphe store, the lip liners are all there and you can buy them individually and they're very affordable. It's up to you. There are other options out there, but I did like the formula of the Lady Gaga lip liner. So I really enjoyed trying out the new Lady Gaga Haus Laboratory products. I can't wait to get the rest of the products so I can try them out and make another video here. So make sure to subscribe. I really love the message that Lady Gaga is spreading. Her message basically is saying to be kind. There isn't enough kindness, I think, and especially on the internet. She really just wants everybody to be kind, and I think that's really great. You never know what somebody is going through. It's always a good thing to be kind, and you really don't want that bad karma coming back to you if you are not spreading any kindness. So if you really don't have anything nice to say, just don't say it at all. What I always think, I really love that she is really representing like diversity and inclusivity with this brand. I'm really excited to see like where the brand goes, how it changes the industry. The industry is already changing, so I'm really excited. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell to get notified when I upload a new video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.